Friday. On Friday, this is what we covered. Surface area of solids with planar faces. I gave you these formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If for some reason you didn't have time to copy those down, here's some printed ones with nice colors that help you understand that. Then we did an example of finding the surface area of the 3D object that you can see here. All I want to do today is give you an example of what I want to see with your measurement booklet working, okay? If you haven't worked it out yet, the way that this topic is being done is a portfolio of learning, okay? Which is, we're going to mark you on the work you've done, okay? I don't quite agree with that because the standard is quite low if all we're doing is giving you credit for doing the work that I've asked you to do, all right? But that's what they decided. I'm not in charge of that. I'm the one who put this together. I want you by the end of today to have gotten up to here, which means on Friday I asked you to do 4 questions, and today I'm asking you to do 4 questions. There is nothing new today. All I want to show you is an example of how you would work. So I'm going to show you, don't talk, because you're already doing something slower than other people. I'm going to ask you to do the booklet work like this. If I was answering this question here, that is a pyramid. So what are the shapes that go around the top there? Yeah? Triangles, good. So show the working out of that. So the front and back triangle, the area of a triangle, front / back is half base. The base of that triangle is going to be what?
Square.
Yep. And how long are the sides of that square? Good, because of the 2 dashes. So base times by the height. How tall is that triangle according to the arrow? Any idea? You can't just read a diagram? 9. So 12 times 9 is, what is that? Not being good with my multiplication today. 12 times 9, 108 divided by 2. So that is one of the triangles. There are 2. So that's going to be 108 square centimeters for the triangles front and back. Are there more triangles in that pyramid? Yeah? The left and right? Area, triangle, left, right. Are they the same triangles? Do they have the same base of 12 and the height of 9? So it's going to be half. 12 times 9, 54 times by 2. That maths you already did. What is the only shape left on this pyramid that I haven't worked out? The square at the base. What would the area of a square be? Area is going to be length times by width. So 12 times 12. That's going to be 144 square centimeters. So total SA is going to be 108 plus 108 plus 144, 360 square centimeters. You've got marks for that already, but before you move on to the next question, go to the section at the end that has the answers there. So this is, you can see, it says 7C.1, question 3A. So when I go to this, 7C.1, question 3A, does it say 360? Yes or no? Is that what I worked out? So you're like self-checking as you do the questions to get that credit. All right? That's how I want you to operate doing that. Why am I doing this video? So I can use it to show you that I've shown you how I'd like the booklet fulfilled. Okay? All your work is on Friday. What did you do after the test? I asked you to do this one, and that. If you haven't got this correct already, I just gave you the answer. All right? Today, find the surface area of this shape. This one here, that's a pyramid again. Pyramid with a box underneath. And then the trapezium shape and the house. Get the grind on. I don't see how you've got any reason to whinge about anything. A lot of you might complain about your test mark. That's fine. Show me the practice that I asked you to do. You're going to show me. If you can show me that you did all the practice, then I'll go. I don't deserve to be working. Okay? Any questions about that?